Hello Ananda. Today we can start with the HTML CSS example. First we can see the HTML backgrounds. In the HTML backgrounds, first we can see the example program. In the example program, first we need to set the background color. By using background color, here background color we are going to be seeing. First we can see the background color. Background color. First, in the HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag, in between here we are going to be writing some code. Head opening tag, style we are going to be opening, then we are going to be writing the CSS property. In the CSS property, first element, first selector name, body we have given. In that we are going to be giving the property name. What is the property name? Background color. By using background color, here we are going to be setting the color. Which color? Green color we have given. Next, background color will be green we have given. Whenever we are going to be giving the background color for the body means it should be applicable to the whole page. Suppose we need to creating some table. By using table also we can set the background color separate. Here we are going to be using the background color body element means it should be applicable to the all the page. That is the use of the background color. Next we can see the output here. See here. Whenever we are going to be opening the background colors means how the page will be displayed here we can see. See here. What is the hello world we have given in the head level 1. Then paragraph will be created. Then we are going to be in the CSS property. There we are going to be giving the some selector name. What is the selector name? Body we are going to be using. In the body we are going to be giving the value will be green means it should be applicable to the whole page. Suppose we need to apply the background color for H2 only means we can apply. This will be displayed different color. If you want to apply the background color paragraph means we can apply. Whenever we need to require, we can place the background color and we need to apply the property and value. That is the use of the background colors. Next, we are going to be using the box model. In the box model, here, see, one box will be created, one content will be given. Then, what is the use of this one box model? Whenever we are going to be creating a website, we need to give some content, we need to highlight the data. At that time, we are going to be using the box model. In the box model, if you want to create means how to create, first use the HTML opening tag, head section. In the head section, we are going to be applying the style. In the style, we are going to be using the element will be division. Division element we are going to be using, and we are going to be creating a one box. And for box, we are going to be giving the light blue color. We are going to be giving background color for particular box. What is the box width? 200 pixels. Padding. What is the padding meaning? Whenever we are going to be creating a one cell, so in this cell we have some content to border, we are going to be giving some space. That space we need to call it as a border. Then that border space we need to call it as a CSS padding. Then we are going to be giving the border. Border means border in which how much thickness means how much thickness and which color we need to display, that will be defining by using the borders. Then we are going to be closing the style tag. Head section also we are going to be closing. Then we are going to be opening the body tag. In the body tag here H2 element we are going to be using head level 2. Then calculate the total width we are going to be using head level. Then division tag we are going to be using. In the division tag we are going to be giving the some content. The picture above is 350 pixel wide. The total width of this element is also 350 pixels. We have given some message. Paragraph will be created, body we are going to be closing, and heads also we are going to be closing. That is the use of the box model. See here, output should be displayed in which manner? See here. Here we have some content. Content to border we are going to be giving some space, equal space, top, bottom, right, left, right also same space. That is called CSS padding. This one is the background color we have given the navy blue. Then border color 25 pixels solid we are going to be giving, and blue color we are going to be solid blue we are going to be giving the color border. That is the output of the box model. Next we can see the outputs. Next we can see the outlines. Whenever we are going to be creating some data, some paragraph or some line, we need to highlight, means we need to use the outlines. Whenever we are going to be giving the outlines, here we are going to be giving the borders only. It is equal, similar to the borders only. Then we are going to be using the different types of borders. First one is the dotted outline, second one will be dashed outline, third one will be solid, fourth one will be double, fifth one will be groove, bridge, inset, outset. These are the outlines we are going to be using. Whenever we are going to be setting the outlines, how to write the property? First use the element name, then use the property and value. What is the property we are going to be using? Outline style, means which style we are going to be displaying, dashed or double or solid or we are going to be using displaying here. That is these are the values we are going to be using to set the outlines. Next we can see the outputs of the outline. Output will be, see here, first output will be dotted, second one will be dashed, see here, outlines will be first outline dotted, second one will be dashed, third one will be solid outline, third one will be double, groove. Like that we are going to be displaying the different types of outputs. That is the use of the outlines. We can see the theory also for this outlines. See, we can go to the HTML, beginning of HTML, then we need to search the which one, outlines. Outlines we are going to be using. See, frames. Whenever we are going to be creating a box, means box also we need to give the outline. If we are creating a table also, we need to create a outlines also we need to give. If we are creating something, anything, if we want to highlight the data, if we want to give the decoration, means we need to use the outlines. That is the use of the outlines. In the next class, we are going to be seeing the outlines theory. Thank you, Varuna.